Hello, I am Madhusmita. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's channel reading. And today we'll pull some cards from the Crystal Angels. Okay, so this is a very beautiful deck. This is very to the point, that guides to the energy. And anyway, there have been, like a heavy energy, kind of like very depressive energy that is passing through the twin flame consciousness. There is nothing to worry about it, because any lower energy that happens is actually to clear it. Okay, so even if you are experiencing some breakdown, so just know that that breakdown is happening to clear the energy, and you will break through it. Okay, so these moments are actually going to strengthen your relationship with universe, strengthen your relationship with God. Okay, so trust the process. So we'll pull three cards in this, and the first card, so just give me some time. Okay, the card itself is, as if the card itself is clearing negativity. Yes, this is important. The depression phase, when it comes, it feels like, like all the negative emotions are heavy on you. That is not a point to give your power or believing that the negativity is true. It is the point to clear that negative energy. Even this card is confirming and guiding you there. Okay, release negativity from within and around you. Okay, so you can also see from the another perspective. Everything that happens in your reality is a reflection of the thing that is within you. So if you are experiencing that depressive situation in your reality, so that means there are negative energies still within you. Somewhere you are holding on to those beliefs. Those are not serving you, those are not helping you to grow, those are actually making you to feel stuck. Okay, feel stuck and feel discomfort. So this card and the current energy is actually inviting you, that it is safe to go there and clean that. Okay, it is always good to clean that. So I'll just read some paragraphs here. You drew this card because there is a need to clear away negative energy from within or around you. This could be negativity in your present life, or some grievance from your past that have been harboring and have bad difficulty forgiving. Fortunately, you don't need to consciously know which form of negativity you are clearing, nor are you advised to analyze it. After all, focusing upon negativity only gives it strength and power. Truly, truly. First thing, what was coming to me was like, yeah, if there are like any past event. Okay, because what happens if something had happened in the past and that is stuck in our energy body, so these are the situations where you will be able to access those part in within you. Okay, so don't be scared, and I will rather advise, because those are being stuck with you, you will not be able to do that by yourself. It is always advised you take a help of a healer, take a help of a coach who can take you out of it. Okay, because you have been dealing with that pattern from a long time, right? That negativity must be taking you deeper, then you deal with it, you come back, and then once it is there, you again go there. The cycle continues. So with the help of a healer, you will be completely out of it. The always goal should be, you should completely be free from that is holding you back within yourself. And those negative energies actually blocks your good, blocks your prosperity, blocks your harmonious union. There is no point in holding on to those negative energy within you. It is safe to go there and clear it up with help of somebody. Okay, so going to the next card is talking about, it's a aqua aura. The card is aqua aura. It's a very beautiful blue energy, and obviously it's again pointing to the healthy communication in relationship. Heart to heart discussions and clear assertive communication can help you understand and be understood, right? So if any of these negative energies are coming out because you are not able to communicate what you are feeling within you, this energy is calling you to go deeper into communicating with yourself, right? Because the moment you communicate with yourself, you understand what you desire within you. Because when you understand what you desire, having those negativities stuck within your heart and stopping you to receive everything that you desire is not healthy. First begin with having a open conversation with yourself. The more and more you understand who, what you are, what you want to communicate within yourself, you'll be also clearing the block of communication with your twin flame. So at times there will be so many things stuck because like you are not able to share how you feel with the people around you, or you are not able to share or even to get convinced what is bothering you. That's how you tend to feel lonely, because as if there is nobody else there to listen to you. That's not true. You can always claim your support. You can absolutely always claim your support. Okay, make your path easy by claiming your support. Okay, so this is, let's read some of the paragraphs here. This card brings hope for you and your relationship, especially if you have struggled to be understood by others. A gentler and clearer form of communication is on the horizon, initiated by you in answer to your own prayer. It feels like the communication block in the twin flame consciousness is about to heal. You can always expect, as you are healing yourself and opening up to that communication within yourself, you will see that communication will happen with your twin flame naturally. That's how it happens. So this card is actually a confirmation and also a guidance to be hopeful for and opening up yourself for the communication with your twin flame. Okay, wow, beautiful. This card is about citrine. Okay, unnecessary worries. Release the burden of worries by giving them to God for healing and solution. Yes, always. There is no need to deal with everything by yourself. God is there with you all the moment. God is there with you. God doesn't want anything from you. Anything. That's how unconditional is God. Okay, so give all your worries to God. Just give it. You are not able to find a solution to whatever is happening in your life currently, give everything to God. Let Him solve it. He has more power than you. He can solve your things very easily than you can do by yourself. Have you been worrying? This card comes to you as a sign of needless worry, which God and your guardian angels are helping you release. Chronic worry can be draining, deliberating to physical, mental, and emotional health. create and attract self-fulfilling prophecies, distract you from your priorities, cause you to second guess your qualification and fulfill your life purpose. Truly, when you worry about things, you will always doubt yourself. You will always also doubt your intuitive guidance. That also happens with worry, because when you are worried, you are constantly focusing what is going to happen in the future, right? So the path that is getting revealed to you now, that is lost, right? Because in order to reach to that goal, you need to know what you need to do now, right? So in the now moment, if you are full with worry energy, then how that intuitive energy or intuitive guidance is going to communicate with you, right? So this energy flow, like negativity, and then the communication, and then the releasing of worry, that feels like, you release the negativity within you and communicate more with yourself, because I'm talking from twin flame perspective. So you can embody all this energy within you, and then see what is going to come in your reality, right? So communicate within that part, release all that worry that is bothering you. Love yourself, love yourself. God is taking care of you all the moment. Love yourself. Thank you.